Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to tackle a classic train and bridge problem. Here is the scenario. A train 130 meters long is traveling at 45 kilometers per hour and it crosses a bridge in 30 seconds. Our goal is to find the length of the bridge. Let's break this down step by step. First, let's visualize what is happening. When a train crosses a bridge, it does not simply travel the length of the bridge. Think of it this way, the crossing begins when the front of the train reaches the near end of the bridge. The crossing is only complete when the rear of the train clears the far end of the bridge. This means the train must travel a distance equal to its own length plus the length of the bridge. The key formula here is simple. Distance equals speed multiplied by time. In this problem, the total distance traveled while crossing the bridge is equal to the train's length plus the bridge's length. We know the speed 45 kilometers per hour, the time 30 seconds and the train's length 130 meters. However, there is a critical issue. The speed is in kilometers per hour while the time is in seconds. We must use consistent units before we can calculate. Let's fix the unit mismatch. 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters and 1 hour equals 3600 seconds. Therefore, to convert any speed from kilometers per hour to meters per second, we multiply by the fraction 5 divided by 18. Applying this 45 kilometers per hour multiplied by 5 divided by 18 gives us 225 divided by 18. This simplifies to 12.5 meters per second. Now let's calculate distance equals speed multiplied by time. We substitute our values 12.5 meters per second multiplied by 30 seconds. This gives us 375 meters. Remember, this is the total distance traveled while crossing the bridge. That means 375 meters is equal to the train length plus the bridge length. We already know that the train is 130 meters long. Therefore, bridge length equals 375 minus 130. Performing the subtraction gives us 245 meters. And there's our answer. The length of the bridge is exactly 245 meters. To summarize, we identified that the total distance traveled while crossing a bridge is equal to the train's length plus the bridge's length. We converted 45 kilometers per hour to 12.5 meters per second using the 5/18 factor. Then we calculated the total distance traveled in 30 seconds as 375 meters. Finally, we subtracted the train's length of 130 meters to obtain the bridge length of 245 meters. That brings us to the end of this video. If you found this step-by-step breakdown helpful, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Leave any questions you have in the comments below and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.